macaron. It's fancy way to make French almond cake. Everybody loves them. They say it's hard to make, but I'm gonna show you most easiest macaroni recipe that foolproof, guaranteed. First thing first, get your almond meal, which is powdered almond. I have 100 grams here, 100 grams powdered sugar. Lid on. Important thing to remember, we just want to give it quick pulse. We don't want to mix it for too long, otherwise almond will release its oil and it will become a best mess. We don't want it. That's done. Now to get extra guarantee, I'm gonna sieve that almond and sugar mixture. To make our macaron, I choose the French meringue. It is easier than Swiss or Italian version out there. I'm gonna get 80 gram egg white. It's room temperature. I'm gonna use my hand mixer. If you do a larger volume, feel free to use a stand mixture. Now, I'm gonna go low speed till it's foamy, and then I will add my sugar in 3 stages. Now, going into medium speed. Now you can see it's a little bit nice and foamy. I'm gonna add 1/3 of my sugar. Still in medium speed. I will mix 30 seconds till my sugar is nice and dissolved. Now this is the time to add my second part of sugar. I'm gonna add another 30 seconds. It is very important to start with the medium speed. That will give you a very good structure of your meringue. Now I'm going all in and maximum speed. Don't hesitate to move your bowl around. This meringue stage is extremely important. There are expert people out there who would tell you that you have to wait till a soft peak. If you happen to make meringue before, if you know soft peak, just whisk that mix up to the soft peak. For rest of us who never made that meringue before, stick to the 6 to 7 minutes. You may over whisk it, doesn't matter, but we don't want to under whisk it, right? So we are going in for 6 minutes. Now at that stage, I had roughly 6 minutes. My meringue is nice, thick, and you can see all this whisk strand. Now you know it's ready. I'm just gonna add few drops of color. Our meringue is nice and ready. Take one part of the meringue going in to the almond mixture. You don't have to be nice with it, go vigorous. Mix it in. That stage, what we call macaronage. Make sure every time you go under the bowl, scrape everything from everywhere and going in. When you take that, it should fall nice and gently like a ribbon. Now I need 1 or 2 minutes more because my mix is breaking in. I have a pastry bag fitted in a tip, so make sure that goes in gently. That mix going in. You see, that's what I meant. It's nice and straight trend. Now get your piping bag, just twist it, just hold it like a pen. Right hand you push, left hand to guide. And when you pipe your macaron, make sure you are 90 degrees straight up like this. Here, Come, I show you. I go up, cut, straight, cut, straight, cut. My piping bag is straight going up like this. It's not like this. Now tap at the bottom, and we will wait minimum 15 to 20 minutes till nice crust on top. You touch, but it shouldn't stick to your hand. Now I'm going to show you an easy butter cream cheese filling that's excellent with your macaron. I have 50 gram room temperature butter going in, and I'm going to whisk it to the maximum speed. After a few minutes later, my butter is nice pale and white. This is the time to go with your cream cheese. I have 100 gram of cream cheese, 80 gram powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Start with a very low speed. And now go to your maximum. Within minutes, I get this nice thick cream cheese going in to my piping bag. Butter cream cheese frosting ready. My macaron had 10 minutes to dry out, and now it's going to 150 degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. Nice and beautiful macaron. Wait till it's nice and cold. Now my macarons are nice and cold. It's time to fill them up. Take your macaron in one hand, another hand, gentle twist. One hand, other hand, and twist. This macaron needs minimum 24 hours in your fridge. It is essential to develop those beautiful aromas and flavors. That would be hard, isn't it?